Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add more recipient on WhatsApp broadcast list. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You can use broadcast list to send messages to multiple contacts at once. A broadcast list is a list of saved contacts that you can send messages to repeatedly without having to select contacts one by one. But what if you want to send or add more recipient to the broadcast list that you have created? So simple. So you can, first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. As you can see, here's my broadcast list that I've made before. And if you want to add more recipient, you can just open on the info of the broadcast list. You can see here's the recipients. It looks like a group, but it's not. When you create broadcast list, the recipient that you add to your broadcast list will not get notified that they've added to broadcast list. So to add more recipients, you can tap on here, edit recipients. You can remove the member or you can add more the member of your broadcast list. I will add more to my broadcast list like this. And if you've done, you can just tap on the checklist here. And here's your new recipient on your broadcast list. So that is how to add more recipients on your WhatsApp broadcast list. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.